I try to record over here. Jeez. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the last episode that I say I have a better time with a heavy bow gun than a Swiss X. I guess I say that, oh my god, I try to record here. So I gonna try to solo the trio star and a little bit of surprise. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I got a hand cam now. Let me open the light first. So as you guys can see, I have a hand cam now. So I think that is a big improve for me. Like you guys can see what I'm doing with the joystick. And okay, let me get back to the game first. Okay, and you guys don't have to be worried. I don't gonna do like show my face and do the blindfolded run for the Aration. I don't want to get famous by creating the drama. Let's do one person. Now that I have like a camera, so I can show you guys something that like if I want to. Like for example, here I have a cup of coffee, iced coffee, because in Thailand it's so hot to drink like a hot coffee. The elixir of life. And for example, I can show you something like this too. Ta-da! Or if you guys want to see my favorite waifu on the table, ta-da! She's a big one, right? She's a big one. Don't see here, nothing to see. Something like that. Oh, her hair gets stuck, do the solo trio star. But first and foremost, I want a second monitor now, because now I cannot see like how is my voice doing. Is it like peaking or something like that? If I speak too loud or maybe too quiet, I can like change that on the spot, because now I don't know anything about the voice. So in the editing, it's quite hard. Like sometimes I speak loudly, sometimes I don't. Okay, let's fight on another platform, I guess. Calm down before you get stunned. What the hell? Oh my god, I knew it. At least I can eat it from here. Let me try to stun him again after this. And like in the last video of the Monster Hunter game, I say that I play Magic of the Gathering, but in the first time that I know about the card game is from Yu-Gi-Oh! I play since like the grade 6 or some maybe grade 5. I'm not quite sure, but between these two, like I enjoy playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Very much. But after I switched to Magic of the Gathering, and like Yu-Gi is like not making sense for me. Like the normal card is cool, but the fusion is like the peak of Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh, nice caddy. And then they have a synchro, the white card. That is like okay, that's refreshing, that's something new. And then they do the black card. I don't know what it called. I guess that one is okay, but after that they do the link card. The link is like the most not making sense to me, and you will change completely. Like normally you play like one, I mean maybe 5 or 6 turns, maybe 10 to win the game. But when Link came out, it took like 1 or 2 turns to finish the game. I was like, what the hell? What are you doing? Oh, okay, I speak too much, but like the game is not fun when your opponent is doing like 1 turn kill or something like that. I have been recording this 3 times already. Oh my god, I didn't faint once. Oh my god, that's bad. I'm panicking. Oh, okay, maybe I faint couple of times. Oh yeah, I guess. Okay, I failed and I failed the quest. Okay, a lot of time but the reason that I reshoot the record because one thing, right? In that video I feel super low in energy and it's not like fun to watch like someone like talk like this very softly. It's not energetic and not fun. Even I'm editing I feel like okay this video is suck, let's redo the record again. And that's why I want a second monitor so bad to know like if my voice is okay or something like that. Trying to improve my vocabulary, like listen to a lot of video online to see like what the new word that they're using or maybe like the grammar of it, because my grammar is not great. I kind of forgot like to use ed or change the verb or something like that a lot of time. Oh, almighty coffee, help me man, help me get through this. I think I'm gonna retry it again after this because this is not a fair point of heavy bowgun use. Just trying to like block the incoming attack. It's off. I think it's gonna be in time, but it's not. Like if his head is broke, I think it's like around 10% health. I think in okay. I just gonna say like in 1 minute he gonna get killed. So yeah. Let's see the time of this. 9 minutes. So this one is so bad. I get like this. I can show you what of the clip that I record before. I get like 7 minutes and 50 something second. Let's stun him with a sticky ammo. Nice, he's now stunned. Damage time. And before I record this episode, I watched some like the YouTube short. Struck to me really like funny. Oh, nice caddy. So it say like woman, have you ever wondered why the hurricane named after a woman name? Because women come wet and white, and when they go they took a house and a car with them. So I laugh and then I think how can he possibly saying that in this time and age, because like feminists in the online running wild and they not gonna be happy when they hear this. He need to have like a gigantic ball to say that in the internet. I think it's an old joke but still though. Can I stun him again? Oh, he gets stunned in the very bad places. I cannot get to his head though. That's bad. Let me wound his head. Oh, not in time. Wow. Oh my god, that's bad. Yeah. After this one, I'm gonna retry to do this, but let this motherfucker first, man. Stupid lion make me look bad. Oh. I didn't see that one coming. Oh my god. I ran right into his bomb. This is so bad. Sorry for all the heavy bowgun men. This is looking bad for your boy. Oh, why? Oh my god, this one is bad. Everything not going to plan, man. Why? Oh. Oh my god. What the hell is this one, man? This one is so bad. Oh my god, this one is so bad. Too much misplay. Too much. Let me repeat myself. Too much misplay. Oh. Yeah. I guess. Yeah, Teosra. How many times I have hunt him like 54 times already, and I'm still fainting and fail the mission. Oh my god. Let's go. Clear my mind. Drink more coffee. Let me stun him again. How many times you want to do that, man? Nice. He stunned before I get hit. Let's heal first. Don't be reckless like last time. Stupid lion, man. Die.
Nigga, did I just catch you having fun?
Stop fucking fight with my cat. Don't touch him. Nice. Get stunned, bitch. Stupid ass lion. Your wife doesn't love you, man. Oh, stupid bitch.
And what did you say to me?
Oh my god. Catty, where is the paralyzed, man? No. Don't go there. Oh, waste of my time. Nice. Speak of the devil, man. Stop showing your ass to me, man. What the fuck? Face me like a man. Hey, lion. I think he nearly gonna die soon. I think about like 20 or 10% of his health remaining, I guess. Yeah. Let's see the time. 750. Yeah. So better than the Switch X, as I say. But it took me quite a while. Like I have been practicing in another run, and it like have like 8 minutes something, and then like 10 minutes something, just practicing using heavy bowgun again. I got the timing of the weapon wrong quite a lot, as you guys see in the first run. Oh my god, this is so bad. But yeah, I pulled it off. 7 minutes 50, faster than Switch X. So let's see if anyone need a helping hand. Oh, how hard is it to grapple him, man? What the hell? I want to get good at the sharpness so much. I think my voice getting low like this again. Am I right? No. What the? Oh my god. Oh, he faint again. This is not gonna be a happy ending, man. Oh. I hate the raging Bacterias because if you hit his head for the excess damage, he gonna drop the slam. That is super annoying. No another monster do that. Oh, nice. Oh my god, the slam. To the loo, motherfucker. Oh, that's bad. Bad. Oh, thank you. Whoever did this, thank you so much. I cannot see shit. What is a llama and what is a lava? Is he gonna do the raging move? Nah, okay. Why me? I just sharpened my weapons. Nice one. Oh, I told you, man. And this is why I don't like helping a newcomer in the Raging Bacterias quest. Even myself, I get reckless around him and like get hit by a slam a lot. And the newcomer just don't care about the slam and keep going for the big damage hit. My armor is full, so I can do that to the extent, right? But the newcomer, their armor is not. They're gonna get blow up by raging Mechadios. So if you are a newcomer and the first time, maybe a second time fighting the raging Mechadios, please be careful. It took me around like 3 or 4 tries to like pass the quest, but still though, just be patient. And if you don't want to solo it anyway, just be super patient. The pro, and not myself, I mean the another player gonna carry you anyway, so just be careful around it. Let me change the weapons. I think maybe I gonna change my mind about the switch act, but it's still fun. Don't get me wrong, the switch act is still fun, nothing wrong with it. You stick to the monster head and keep pumping the damage. That is super satisfying for me. The shot blade have that factor of that, just the big hit and then do the super amp elemental discharge. That is like shape kiss, man. But the switch act just take it longer, but the satisfaction just stab the big sword in the monster. Oh my god. Let me change to this, I think. Fatalist. Oh my god. Everyone is doing the fatalist. Okay, here. A fatalist is like after I got all the armor and the weapons for him, I don't want even to think and touch him again. It's like a nightmare. But some people do. Some people really like fatalist play. Nice one. Oh, I stick to his wing again. I can out heal you, man. Stupid lion. Nice one. I didn't get hit by that bomb. Stupid lion. Oh. No. Oh my god, just in time. I want the second predator so bad, man. Oh, when my YouTube channel gonna make money, man. Oh shit. If you guys want to help me to get the second predator, please subscribe to the channel. That's gonna be appreciated. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? The reason that I like Shardblade more, what the hell is that? Oh, the moving balsa. The reason that I love the Shardblade more than the Switch Axe, it has more protection, it has a shield, right? And the discharge damage is gonna be faster, not like Switch Axe that you like need to stuck on the head. But so I think in the next episode it's gonna be like this one, like practicing using the Shardblade only, something like that, to get better at it. So yeah, I kinda enjoying using Shardblade a lot. So yeah. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Have a good hunt. Bye bye.